What's up you guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Mivi 5-port USB charger with one quick charging 3.0 port and others all are smart charging ports. It's really nicely built out, and in the box you get only the manual, the device itself, and a very long wire with it so that it can be easily attached. And this is the Indian type of cable, as you can see. So overall build quality is really good of the device itself, and as you can see the colored port is the quick charging 3.0 port and others are all smart charging. It has the output of 3.6 volts to 6.5 volts until 3 amps and 6.5 volts to 9 volts until 2 amps and 9 volts to 12 volts at 1.5 amps. And overall the device itself is really good, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye now.